You're about to see how I turned a single product idea into a fully produced AI commercial without switching tools once. No exporting files, no re-uploading assets, no bouncing between 5 different AI platforms. Just one board. And I'm gonna break down the exact 4-step system I used so you can replicate it. Because here's the real issue. Most creators don't lack AI tools. They lack structure. Right now, your workflow probably looks like this. Images in one tool, video in another, avatars somewhere else, voice in a separate platform, feedback in Slack, assets in Drive. That's not production, that's coordination overhead. And the more projects you run, the slower it gets. So instead of testing another standalone model, I tested something different. Topview 4.0. Not just a generator, a collaborative AI video creation board. Think less tool, more workspace. Here's the 4-step system I used. Step 1, structured ideation. Inside the board, I start with text to image. Topview integrates multiple powerful models like Kling, Seedance, NanoBanana Pro, and others, all in one place. No external APIs, no manual stitching tools together. I generate 4 variations at a time. Here's the rule. Batch early, filter aggressively. As soon as images appear, I star the strongest ones and ignore the weak concepts. You can click into any asset and see the exact prompt and model used. That transparency matters when you iterate later. Everything lives on the same visual canvas. Nothing gets buried in folders. Step 2, continuous conversion. Now I take the strongest image and convert it directly into video. Image to video. Add a motion prompt. Select the model, generate. Notice what doesn't happen. I don't download the image. I don't upload it somewhere else. It stays contextually connected inside the board. While that first render runs, I generate a second variation. Never wait for one output. Parallel creation keeps momentum high. Most AI workflows stall at the handoff between tools. Here, there is no handoff. Step 3, controlled consistency. Now I add the A role. Inside the same board, I generate an AI avatar, paste in the script, and choose a voice. Multiple accents and languages are available, which is useful if you're testing different markets. Here's another rule. Keep your voice profile consistent across variations. Consistency instantly increases perceived production quality.
Why did no one tell me about this? My skin was so dry, it literally hurt to smile.
Now we have B-roll, A-roll, and voice, all connected. Prompt to image, image to video, script to avatar, voice layered on top, all inside one board. Step 4, collaborative iteration. This is where it scales. Instead of sending feedback in Slack, I leave comments directly on the asset. Speed up the motion. Lighting feels flat. Try tighter framing. Teammates reply inside the same context. If we regenerate, we anchor to the original asset, not a heavily edited version. That prevents compounding variation errors. When you edit edited files across multiple platforms, small inconsistencies multiply. Staying anchored keeps quality stable. You can also share the board directly with the client. They comment on specific scenes. No downloading, no re-uploading, no confusion about which version is final. Most AI tools generate. Very few manage collaboration. Now let's go one level deeper. Building from scratch is powerful, but guessing is expensive. What if you start from something that's already proven? You see a skincare ad with 10 million views. Strong hook, clear problem, clean product demo, huge engagement. Instead of hiring actors and rebuilding it manually, you replicate the structure inside your board. Hook, problem, solution, call to action. You recreate the opening visually, match the pacing, insert your product, swap in your avatar, keep the format, change the brand. Now you're not copying, you're leveraging what already works. And here's where it compounds. Create one board per viral concept, 5 concepts, 10 concepts, each anchored to proven performance. Your team can compare them side by side, comment, adjust, regenerate, all without leaving the workspace. Iteration stops being slow, it becomes systematic. And in performance marketing, speed of iteration beats creativity alone. That's the real advantage. Now you might be thinking, why not just use separate AI tools? You can, but once you're running multiple projects, coordination becomes the bottleneck. AI generation is fast. Human organization is slow. Topview reduces that friction. There's also consolidation. Instead of stacking individual model APIs and paying for everything separately, Topview integrates powerful models into creator-friendly pricing tiers. you centralize workflow and cost. Here's the bigger picture. AI video creation is moving from experimentation to infrastructure. The advantage isn't just output quality anymore, it's system design. The creators and teams who move fastest won't be the ones with the best single prompt. They'll be the ones with the cleanest production architecture. This 4-step system works because it eliminates fragmentation. If your AI setup feels scattered, rebuild your next campaign inside one structured board. Measure the speed, measure the clarity, measure the revision process. Links in the description if you want to try it.